Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, shipping orders efficiently can make or break an online business. ShipStation makes shipping automation simple and reliable. Let's break it down. ShipStation centralizes orders from multiple sales channels and automates shipping workflows. You can compare rates, print labels, track shipments, and manage returns all from one dashboard. Its integrations with e-commerce platforms, marketplaces, and carriers make fulfillment faster, reduce errors, and save time for businesses of all sizes. ShipStation keeps your shipping organized, accurate, and scalable, so you can focus on growing your store instead of logistics. If you want simple, automated shipping in 2025, ShipStation gives you control, efficiency, and peace of mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.